May I request the wonderful presence of this very dynamic gentleman who has been a member of parliament besides being an educationist, a social worker and an entrepreneur, Mr. Trilochan Singh, to kindly say a few words, please.
Friend, whole day we have been discussing, listening to quite senior people, and the NRI Institute has organized the entire program such meticulously that everyone is engaged, because when you come here, naturally it is our duty to impart you what is happening in India, what are the openings, and where now we and all our friends settled abroad can do much better. Sir Richard Stagg, who was our kind host yesterday, we had a wonderful evening at his residence. You see, you are all aware that in year 2001, this new concept that how to honor, involve you, was started by Government of India. Mr. Singhvi, who was then High Commissioner of India in the UK, a committee was formed under his chairmanship. They went all over the world, all countries, and gave a good report. On the basis of that report, Government of India decided that more facilities to be given to all people of Indian origin. And every year when you come, more and more announcements are being made. Only yesterday in Chennai, Government of India has announced that all professionals, all NRI Indian professionals, they can now work in India. They are allowed everywhere. So all of you, because we know that in this field of professionals, Indians abroad have already achieved great success everywhere. So this new announcement is very helpful to all of you and helpful to us also, because people in the profession will come and help us here in every field. So every time when you come, announcements are being made. But the topic which Mr. Jagmohan Singh has kept for this Pravasi Sammelan here was, how can you also help your country? So what should we do and do our best for our place of our birth, or place of our birth of our ancestors? So that is what India has also been wanting from you. Already most of the people have done much in various states. The Government of India rules, regulations are much now easier, much helpful. Wherever you go, every state chief minister is willing to have a one-window system, and NRI Institute has always been at your service. Any one of you wants any help, Mr. Jagmohan Singh has kept a full office for you so that you can get all help from them. So our message to you is, where you work there, at the place of your adoption, don't forget your motherland and how to help the motherland. It should be a two-way traffic so that we succeed everywhere. Already, you see, you are all aware that all of you have achieved so much. When Cheddi Jagan became Prime Minister in British Guiana, that was the opening of India's diaspora success. Then Fiji, the Indian became president, then Suriname, when in Canada, in British Columbia, an Indian became the Prime Minister in the Canadian government. Recently, now in New Zealand also, a Member of Parliament has been elected, Kuala Lumpur Member of Parliament, all over the world. In the British, so many of us, so many of our people in House of Commons, House of Lords, and recently Lord Suraj Pal, first time ever, he has become Deputy Speaker of the House of Lords, which is a great honor to an Indian settled abroad. So such things are happening every year. In the list of awards by Her Majesty the Queen, number of NRI are in the list. In the recent list on the 1st January, I have read many names of many friends. So we wish you all the best. And when you come, we are all with you. God give you success. We are with you. Thank you.